Everyone falls down. Getting back up is how you learn how to walk. I think it's important to have a good heart failure when you're young. I learned a lot out of that, because it makes you kind of aware of what can happen to you. It's kind of fun to do the impossible. Laughter is timeless. Imagination has no age. Dreams are forever. If you can dream it, you can do it. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. The more you like yourself, the less you are like anyone else, which makes you unique. Our greatest natural resource is the minds of our children. First, think. Second, believe. Third, dream. And finally, dare. Everyone needs deadlines. Even the beavers. They loaf around all summer, but when they are faced with the winter deadline, they work like fury. If we didn't have deadlines, we'd stagnate. Never get bored or cynical. Yesterday is a thing of the past. All the adversity I've had in my life, all my troubles and obstacles have strengthened me. You may not realize it when it happens, but a kick in the teeth may be the best thing in the world for you. That's the real problem with the world. Too many people grow up. They forget. Those who have money are not always happy. I know guys who were practically starving, but they got much more pleasure from life than millionaires because they did what they wanted. It's a mistake not to give people a chance to learn to depend on themselves while they are young. People often ask me if I know the secret of success and if I could tell others how to make their dreams come true. My answer is, you do it by working. The greatest moments in life are not concerned with selfish achievements, but rather with the things we do for the people we love and esteem, and whose respect we need. Why do we have to grow up? I know more adults who have the children's approach to life. They are not afraid to be delighted with simple pleasures, and they have a degree of contentment with what life has brought. Sometimes it isn't much either.